What's up, guys? This is Simon with Tech Visibility. Today we're going to go ahead and unbox a product that we're going to have to install at a later time as we build out our studios for more of these type of videos and everything that we're doing in terms of our production for techvisibility.com. So we decided to actually purchase a warehouse that will allow us to step up our video quality to the next level, will give us even a better chance of reviews, meetings, podcasts, etc. So at Tech Visibility, we went ahead and decided to buy a Ring Wired Doorbell for the front door of our commercial property. And we're going to go ahead and actually have to run power to this, install it into the commercial door frame, which is metal. But in this video, I just want to go ahead and do an unboxing of what the Ring Wired Doorbell comes with, how big it is, and also what we're planning to do with it. In this follow-up video, we will go ahead and show you how it works as well. Although it's pretty self-explanatory, we will include Ring's videos as part of how it works in this particular video and then give you our honest feedback. Now, this isn't my first Ring doorbell. I have Ring on our house doors. However, pretty cool to see what changes have happened since the new wired doorbell came out. Now, before I unbox and review this doorbell and show you what it looks like, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel here at Tech Visibility. Also, please check out our website at techvisibility.com for the latest tech news and reviews and leaks. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the Ring doorbell actually came in a very small box like this. It's not a big box at all. I was pretty surprised because my other doorbell is much bigger. So unpackaging this little guy here, we get to see how it looks. Now, this is the doorbell and chime combination. This is the chime that comes with it, which you could control from your app. You could actually temporarily turn off the chime. You could lower or raise the volume, and this plugs into a standard 110 outlet, connects to your Wi-Fi as well. So the setup of these is pretty easy through the Ring app. Now, inside here, you're also getting a little connector for depending how you wire this doorbell to the back plate. You're also getting the Ring doorbell itself, and they even give you a little screwdriver. It looks like a octagon style or a star screwdriver to remove that back plate. And then the doorbell itself is tiny and slim, and that's one reason we actually went ahead and decided to purchase this doorbell for the commercial door frame, because if you look at the commercial door frames, they are slim as well. So the doorbell is very slim. I'm going to go ahead and remove this shrink wrap here for us to see how shiny it is and how it looks. And that is how it looks, guys. So very nice layout. There's a little film here as well that we're taking off. So nice and shiny, very simple. You press the button obviously to ring the bell. That enables or activates your phone. Then there's the back mounting plate, which we see here. So behind the plate, you're getting the two wires that are going to go in here. Here's a trick to enable this to work without actually having to wire this to a transformer, which a lot of people are doing. So if you have an existing doorbell, your doorbell most likely on the house door is wired to a transformer. You could unplug that doorbell and then you will have two wires that are fed from a transformer. I recommend using 24 volts on a transformer. So if you upgrade your transformer, do 24 volts. Because when I used the 18 volt transformer in the past with a doorbell, it did not work as well, even though they advertised that it does. Sometimes for whatever reason, it would not charge or power. Now this one is just wired, so it does not have any power in it whatsoever for battery update, but that's why it's thin. So they didn't have to have a battery in here, and it's pretty thin and it looks great. This is going to be a great addition to the front door. What we went up ahead and did was we bought a power pack adapter from Amazon as well, and this power pack adapter comes with a 20-foot cord that you will plug into an outlet in the ceiling, and then it has those two wires which you're going to go ahead and add to the doorbell like so. And basically you're plugging in for power. This is a 24 volt adapter for the price of around $15 or so. You can't beat it, and it's going to do a great job of powering. What that saves you from having to do is running power to an existing transformer and then running that wire back down to your doorbell. So you could just directly plug in power and power this on at all times. I don't like the battery operation of these because you always got to charge them and take them off and on. Wired is the way to go if you get it. And this doorbell here is actually priced very well for around $70. We got it on Amazon as well. Of course, it comes with a few other accessories to mount it to the wall, but overall, that's pretty much it. Now, let me explain how this works because we have not connected it. And as I mentioned, we're going to do that later on and show you the final product in the follow-up video. You can see here in the video that I am showing now that we're building a warehouse. The location of the front door is going to be great for this Ring doorbell, but the way it would work is someone would come over, they would press the button. In that case, whoever is assigned to the Ring account, and you can have several people assigned, it would ring their phone or show who's at the front door. From there, it doesn't open the door or anything like that, but you know who's at the front door, so you could keep unwanted people out. And at the same time, there are options to record, do a live view. You could do ring protection plan, which would record history of someone coming into your door, etc. This doorbell also gives you smart alerts. So if someone's at your door, you get notifications. It'll tell you when people have visited, etc. It's a 1080p HD video. I wish it was 4K, but the resolution is pretty good. You're not going to see someone far away. If you're mounting these on the doorway, they recommend mounting about 48 inches to about 60 inches so that you're getting a good field of vision. So it is hardwired. I only would like it to be hardwired. I would hate to keep charging these. This works on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, not a 5.0, so keep that in mind. So your router has to do a dual band option. Privacy controls, and the beauty of it is it operates day and night, so you're getting night vision. Anyway, that was our unboxing for the Ring video doorbell. I've included a link for it at the bottom. I think it will work great because I have the previous generation of this doorbell. This is a 110 adapter that converts it to 24 volts into AC conversion. I've also included a link for this power adapter, which we will be using to mount on our commercial door, and then we'll give you a full update video of how we like it, just judging from other people's reviews from the internet, as well as having a Ring device at my home, which is bigger than this, but it is hardwired, which is an older generation model. It works great. I would not get any other doorbell, and I would prefer a Ring doorbell over a Nest or any other brand, just because it's very easy to use. And the beauty about the Ring system as well is if you get a Ring alarm, which we're also planning to get, which you could add monitored service to, you would be able to connect everything in one app. And I think that is incredible. So anyway, guys, if you have any experience with the Ring doorbell, please go ahead, leave us a comment below. Let us know if you like Ring or if you prefer Nest or any other doorbell out there, and what you would like to see from us in terms of our follow-up review on this, as well as any feedback or advice on this video. We appreciate it. Of course, we appreciate you watching, so please make sure you guys hit the like button for us if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel as well if you haven't done so already. Turn on that notification bell, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Thank you. Catch you guys here in the next video.